ng magnitude 5.6 na lindol ang Isabela. Lubog pa rin po sa baha ang ilang kalsada sa Quezon City. Naramdaman na nga sa Sarangani, General Santos at ilang
Good day everyone! Today we will talk about disaster preparedness, what disasters are, the different types, and how we can stay safe before, during, and after these events.
What is a disaster? A disaster is a sudden and serious event that causes great damage, loss of lives, and disruption to communities. A disaster can be unnatural and man-made, and understanding them is the first step towards staying prepared. A natural disaster is a major adverse event or catastrophe caused by the natural processes of the environment. So there are three types of natural disaster. First one is geological disasters like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. And the second one is meteorological disasters like hurricanes or typhoons, tornadoes, and floods. And the third one is environmental disasters like wildfires and droughts.
The next type of disaster is a man-made disaster. Man-made disaster is a result from human action or negligence. Examples are the industrial accidents, terrorism, and civil unrest.
Disasters can strike anytime. Bagyo, lindol, sunog, baha. Pero bilang kabataan, hindi lang tayo basta spectators. We can be part of the solution. This is Youth in Action, a call to serve the community, and today we focus on disaster preparedness.
Laging tandaan na sa panahon ng kalamidad, mahalagang may kaalaman at abilidad.
Kaya kailangan natin ng awareness, preparation, at action.
Yung iba ay nagpapanik dahil hindi nila alam ang tamang gagawin. At dahil doon, mas lumalala ang sitwasyon during emergencies.
Una, first aid. Ito ang immediate care na ibinibigay bago dumating ang medical help. Firstly, checking response in breathing. Second, basic food care. Third, proper bandaging. Fourth, treating minor burns. Fifth, CPR demonstration. Importante na hindi tayo magpanik, observe, assess, then act. Dahil minsan isang first aid lang ang pwedeng makapag-save ng isang buhay.
Next, emergency kit. Dapat ready ito at madaling kunin.
Ang laman dapat ng emergency kit ay tubig, ready to eat food, flashlight, batteries, and hygiene items, face mask, alcohol, and first aid kit.
Isang bag lang, pero pwedeng magligtas ng buong pamilya.
Pangatlo, evacuation awareness.
Dapat alam ng bawat household ang nearest evacuation center, safe routines papunta doon, contact numbers ng barangay at rescue teams, meeting point ng family kapag nagkahiwa-hiwalay. Mas mabilis ang evacuation kung may plano, mas kaunti ang panic, mas marami ang
Disasters may be unpredictable, but being prepared can save lives. As students and citizens, it's our responsibility to stay informed and take safety seriously. Preparedness is not just about preparing. It's about protecting our families, our communities, and our people.
When we understand disaster, prepare early, and respect warnings, we become more stronger and more resilient.
Let us all work together to build a safer and more prepared community.